Hello, this is Daniel, and today I am going to show you some of the analytics reports available in the AutoFlex Connect. Let's go to the menu and then to Analytics. Here we can see a list of all of the different reports that are available. First, let's take a look at an output chart. This is a great way to visually see what your equipment is doing. We can select our start and stop days. So let's just go ahead and do just for today. And then we can select up to 6 pieces of equipment. So here, if I wanted to add my heater, it'll give me that error that I have a maximum of 6 outputs. I hit create report. And here we can see our different pieces of equipment, what they have been doing throughout the day. Just scrolling through the different ones. Let's also take a look at the output report. You'll see down in the bottom here, we can bring up that list of reports just in a smaller view. So if we want to look at a different report, we can very quickly just bring it up there, rather than hitting the back button and going to that main menu. So here we got our output report. And again, I will select just for today. And then we've got different reading intervals. I'm going to go all the way down to 10 minutes. And we'll take a look at our 3 pieces of equipment here. And here we can see we've got our report. So every 10 minutes, what were these pieces of equipment doing? So we can scroll through, we can see everything here. Note that reports like this that have like the hard data, they can be saved as a CSV file if you want to then import them into an Excel spreadsheet or something else. If you want to make a more advanced or a custom chart or different visualizations, or you want to do something with that data, you can do that as well, just to save it. And as well, we have the print option, so you can print to PDF as well if you would like to save historical reports for your records. We also have the input chart here. That is going to be similar. Let's do the same thing. Create the report. So here we can see the temperature over the day. And we can also see on our temperature probe, we've set up the target value and our upper and lower limits. And we can see our pie chart is telling us that we have been within our target values all of the time. There's the input report, which is going to be same thing as the output report. It'll just tell us the temperature at 10-minute intervals, or the 30 minutes or an hour. Other reports that might be interesting. We've got the group report. So if you want to see the group reading, you can do every 10 minutes. Do it just for today. Create report. Here we can see the 2 different rooms. I mean, this is room 3 cooling, room 3 heating, so we would expect them to be reading exactly the same. I believe they use the same temperature probes. So in this instance, it's the same data. We also have our auditor report. Here we can see auditor report for today. Room 3, cooling. Create the report. And so that tells us for this day, we have our minimum and our maximum temperature, as well as if you're recording animal count in the AutoFlex, it'll tell you there if you've recorded any ads dead. Of course, you've got all sorts of other things. If you're going to be using maintenance in the AutoFlex, we've got our maintenance report here. The alert log, if you want to see what all alerts were created and who they were sent out to. water consumption, all sorts of things. Even the My Report. So this is something that you should, if you haven't enabled, then you're going to get that email every morning with the My Report. But you can also get it here where all of your selected groups and outputs that you want to have in the report are going to show up here. I encourage you to just take a look through these analytics, take a look through the different reports, play around with it. Just explore it, click on it, see what the options are, what all data you can see. And yeah, there's definitely a lot in there. I just wanted to touch on a few of the more common ones that people like to use. And rather than creating a specific video for every single report. So just a little bit more of a general overview here. So that'll do it for this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.